Use polynomial long division to simplify this rational expression. A rational expression is the ratio of two polynomials where the polynomial in the denominator cannot be zero. To use polynomial long division to simplify this rational expression, divide the numerator by the denominator. We'll use this template to do the long division. The numerator, or dividend, goes here, so we write x squared plus 2x plus 1. The denominator, or divisor, goes here, so we write x plus 1. The dividend is of degree 2, and the divisor is of degree 1. To match the leading term here, we multiply the divisor by x. So we get x times x plus 1, or x squared plus x. We subtract this product from the dividend. The squared terms cancel out. 2x minus x equals x, and then we bring down the next term to get x plus 1. To match this leading term, we multiply x plus 1 by 1. So we get 1 times x plus 1. We get x plus 1 here. We subtract this term from this term, and since they are identical, we get 0. Since there is no remainder, the simplified form of this rational expression is this term. So we write x squared plus 2x plus 1 divided by the expression x plus 1 is equal to x plus 1.